artificial intelligence. I can complete tell you about it by first. If you are new, so please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and start my topic. Generative artificial intelligence, general AI and Gen AI or GAI is a subset of artificial intelligence that uses generative models to produce text, images, videos, or other forms of data. These models learn the underlying patterns and structures of their training data and use them to produce new data based on the input, which often comes in the form of natural language prompts. Improvement in transformer-based deep neural network, particularly large language models (LLMs), and enabled an AI boom of generative AI systems in the 2020s, and these include chatbots such as ChatGPT and Copilot, Gemini, and LLMA, text-to-image and artificial intelligence image generation systems such as Stable Diffusion and Midjourney and DALL/E, and text to video and AI generators such as Sora, and companies such as OpenAI, Anthropic, and Microsoft, Google, and Baidu, as well as numerous smaller firms have developed generative AI models. Generative AI has used across a wide range of industries, including software development, healthcare, finance, entertainment, customer service, sales and marketing, art, writing, fashion, and product design. However, concerns have been raised about the potential misuse of generative AI, such as cybercrime that used to fake news or deepfakes to deceive or manipulate people, and the mass replacement of human jobs. Intellectual property law concerns also exist around generative model that are trained on and emulate copyrighted works of art. And its history of artificial intelligence. Since its inception, researchers in the field have raised philosophical and ethical arguments about the nature of the human mind and the consequences of creating artificial beings with human-like intelligence. These issues have previously been explored by myth, fiction, and philosophy since antiquity. The concept of automated art dates back at least to the automata of ancient Greek civilization, where inventors such as Daedalus and Hero of Alexandria were described as having designed machines and capable of writing text, generating sounds, and playing music. And the tradition of creative automations has flourished throughout history, exemplified by mail audits and automation created in the early 1900s, and Markov chains have long been used to model natural language since their development by Russian mathematician and Andrei Markov in the early 20th century. Markov published his first paper on the topic in 1906 and analyzed the pattern of vowels and consonants in the novel and agency origin. And using Markov chains, once a Markov chain lands on the text corpus, it can then be used as a ballistic text generation. And academic artificial intelligence. The academic discipline artificial intelligence was established at the research workshop held at Dartmouth College in 1956, and has experienced several waves of advancement and optimism in the decades since. Artificial intelligence research began in the 1950s with works like computing machinery and intelligence 1950 and the 1956 Dartmouth and Summer research project on AI. Since the 1950s, artists and researchers have used artificial intelligence to create artistic works. By the early 1970s, and Harold Cohen was creating and exhibiting generative AI work created by Aaron, the computer program Cohen created to generate paintings. And the term generative AI planning or generative planning were used in the 1980s and 1990s to refer to AI planning and system, especially computer-aided process planning used to generate sequences of action to reach a specific goal. So friends, how is my topic? I hope you like it. So now you give me permission. You go to my new best topic. Take care. Love you.